For this video, I want to do a quick overview of our fourth module within the Command Center suite, and that's our bed status app. I'll go over where we get the data from and how we actually interact and use the bed status app. Data for the bed management module can come from one of two places. It can come from your in-house electronic whiteboard or patient record system, which is tracking which beds are free and which beds are empty. Or, if you're still using paper record systems, we can actually create you a custom web form where matrons can actually fill in online from any device and fully mobile enabled can fill in the bed status for each ward. An example of this is here. You can see they can select the site and ward that they're wanting to fill in, and they can actually fill in which beds are full and which beds are empty. And this can be fully customized. In this case, we've actually customized some of it in response to the COVID crisis. And again, we can access this from any device with their internet connection. So it could be accessed from mobile phones and matrons who are on the ward and be filled in, and that data then will be collected and will populate our bed status dashboard. The bed management module, in keeping with the other Command Center modules, is split into the 4-column system. The first column looks at occupancy, and that is looking at the occupancy of each ward, how many free beds are there versus occupied beds. And again, we can filter that by sites, bed type, or different ward types. We can filter the full dashboard. The second column is looking at your available beds, so you may want to actually search for an available bed. So if, for example, you need to find a surgical bed or a medical bed, we can actually find and search for where those available beds are. And in keeping, like the other Command Center modules, we can dive into those 18 available beds and actually work out and find out where they actually are, which ward they're on. Next column, we've got closed beds. We've got 11 closed beds. Why are they closed? Some are close to cleaning, trying to find out potential bottlenecks here. Again, we can drill into those 11 closed beds and work out where they are. And the final fourth column is looking at stranded patients. Patients, what percentage of them are stranded or have a length of stay over a set amount. Again, we can view into more detail where these stranded patients are. The page, as with all the modules, can be fully configured. If you didn't want to show these KPIs, you could choose a KPI of your choosing. And again, all the colours can be changed and selected and can change if certain thresholds are met.